When we are trying to find out the vertical side length, so we have to see what all vertical side lengths we have. So here if you can see, we have 11 centimeter. Then if I will see here, we have 3 centimeter. And now we need to find out this one, which is not given to us. So how I can find out? Now till here, it is already given. It is equals to 3. And the total is equals to 11. So if I need to find out what this missing side length equals to, so it would be 11 minus 3, which is equals to 8. That means this missing side length is equals to 8 centimeter. Now we need to find out the horizontal missing side length. So for that, I will draw all the horizontal lines given in the diagram. So they have given us 10 centimeter. Then they have given at the top 6 centimeter. And we need to find out how much is this, which we don't have. So that means 10 minus 6 is equals to 4 centimeter. So this missing side length will be equals to 4 centimeter. Once we will already know all the side lengths of the diagram, we have to add all them together to find out what is the perimeter. So the perimeter for this shape will be equals to 11 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3 and plus 10. When you will add all these together, you will get your answer equals to 42 centimeter.